In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Loop Full 2026 Guide. We'll walk through two clean ways to get your content out of Loop: exporting an entire page to a PDF and exporting a specific Loop component, like a table or task list, to an Excel file. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to use and where to find it. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, pick the workspace that holds the content you want to export. Workspaces keep projects and pages organized, so selecting the right one first saves time. Inside the workspace, open the page you'd like to export. Give it a quick scan to make sure the sections you need are visible, since what you see is what will be exported. To export the entire page as a PDF, look to the top right of the page for the three-dot menu, also called More Options. Click that, then choose Print and PDF Export. Your browser's print dialog will open. In the Destination or Printed dropdown, select Save as PDF. Before you confirm, you can adjust basics like layout, paper size, margins, and scale to fit everything comfortably on a page. If your page has wide tables, landscape orientation can help. When it looks right in the preview, save the PDF and you're done. If you only need data from one Loop component, say a task board or table, exporting just that item is faster and more structured. On the page, hover over the specific Loop component you want. Each component has its own three-dot menu in its header. Click that menu, then choose Export to Excel. Loop will generate an .xlsx file with the component's content formatted for spreadsheets. This is ideal when you want to filter, chart, or share the data without the rest of the page. Keep in mind, this exports only that component, not the full page. Use the PDF export when you need a polished, shareable snapshot of the whole page. Great for stakeholders, handouts, or archiving. Use the Excel export when you need to analyze or repurpose a single component's data in a sheet. If you don't see the expected menu, make sure you're clicking the page level three dots for a full page PDF and the component level three dots for the Excel export. Also, check that you have permission to export in that workspace. That's it. Two simple paths to get your Loop content out and into the right format. Try both methods on a test page to see which best fits your workflow, and you'll be exporting with confidence in no time.